Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. The weather here in the 604 this past weekend has been absolutely fantastic. Nice and dry, nice and sunny. And that means things are happening. So the Olds Toronado project, the 1978 Olds Toronado XS that I rescued from a barn, has been sold. Some young guy bought it and he's going to daily that thing in the winter. But he was really enthusiastic, really loved the car, had to have it. So she went on her way to a new home. There she goes. And that means we've got space for a new project vehicle in the yard. And that vehicle is coming right now. It's being delivered right now. So let's quickly take a look. All right, new channel project vehicle. Took advantage of the nice weather, gave her a quick bath. Let's take a look at this thing. It's a roller, no motor, no trans, 93 S-10, regular cab, short box. She's got a lowering kit. I don't know the extent, probably like a 3.4 or a 2.3 lowering kit. It's got some rally wheels on it, 15/8 with who knows wasted tires, but paint's not bad, looks pretty good. Bought it in the dark, so it was looking decent. There's only 2 spots of rust on the whole thing that I can find. One basically under that rocker and one on the driver's side. Interior is okay-ish. The bed seems really good. Got a drive shaft and the front air dam thingy there. Do need a rally wheel for the back because they came off another vehicle and there's only 3, but she's pretty clean. Like, the body's not bad at all. Inside, of course, the seat's a bit toast, but I think we could just do a little seat cover on there. The dash and everything is okay. It's got an aftermarket double din of sorts. That cinder block's just there to keep the trans hole covered from rats, rodents, whoever want to go in here in the winter. There's even a little stereo in there. So yeah, not a bad little unit. Doesn't need a paint job. I think the hood is probably just going to get blacked out. And it's got some aftermarket headlights in there. Pretty cool. And another bonus selling feature is a chrome GMC grille and bumper. This thing was a base model truck, I think. Had a black bumper. You saw the step bumper on the back, but the guy bought it from upgraded everything on the front, so it gives you that nice chrome grille, chrome bumper look. I like it. It's going to be fun. The idea is fairly decent horsepower, 400-ish. And because it's only 2,650 pounds, or so the Reggie says, that was with the 4-cylinder I think that came in it. But sub 3,000 anyways with a motor in here. This thing should scoop pretty good. Do some Caltrax on the back. Those are 275s, so replace those old radial TAs with some drag radials. And then when that diff gives out, the 7.5-inch diff gives out, we'll put the 8.5-inch out of the next gen, or the second gen S10 ZQ8 package trucks. They do have a 342 posi factory diff, which bolts right in here. And under the hood, if I can get the hood open. How do you get the hood open on these deals? Somewhere there. Here we go. Under the hood, which isn't connected, is nothing, blank slate. So it is a power brake vehicle, which is maybe a challenge when you put a V8 in there because that booster is fairly large diameter. It's like a 10 or 11-inch, but we can change that. And it looks like it was a manual steering vehicle, so we may change that. It had in the past, or before I bought it, it had a TDI, Volkswagen TDI swap 5-speed. Apparently that's a thing with these first gen S10s, or baby square bodies as I like to call them, but not a lot of wiring there. I don't know if I'm going to need a harness for this. I definitely will need to wire whatever engine I put in. The idea again is somewhere in the 400 horsepower range, which isn't too hard with an LS, or maybe it stays small block, or maybe it gets a big block. I don't know. Comment below if you think I should put a small block, big block, LS. Cost effective and cheap is the way I'm gonna do this. So it's gotta be cheap, or else it just kind of becomes less fun, right? The idea is to run sub 12-second quarter mile at one point. Yeah, I think she'll do it with the weight and a little bit of power. Yeah, so that's the new project vehicle. Looking forward to building this up. I'll stockpile some parts first, and then we'll go to town. Keeping it cheap, keeping it fun, keeping it fast. That's the idea behind this guy. So if you like S10 content and you can wait a little bit until I get some parts, keep an eye on the channel, because we're gonna make this little unit quite the ripper. Take care, see you next video, and bye for now. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed at this point, consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and sharing with your friends. Take care, bye for now.